Hi there. So main line's backed up. We're gonna jet back to the building, get it opened up.
Hi, I'm director of this facility. I've tried some of the other plumbing companies, even our neighbor a few blocks down. They showed up and told me I needed a COD for a drain service at 9 o'clock at night. We're a major facility, but we don't have cash laying around to pay a plumber. I made a subsequent call to Chris at Superior Drain, and he came right over, sent me an appropriate bill, it was paid, and we've been using them ever since. Short notice, emergencies, he's right there. Absolutely, I recommend him.
Pull the jetter out here, get her started up, turn her on, open it. Yeah,
we're gonna run this while I'm doing the hose. You gotta be really careful you don't blow up and drain in the building. Now we're gonna flush out the sewer building trap. This is where it keeps all the sewer gas from coming back into the building. And that is it. We are done. It's very easy, simple PM maintenance. Get it cleaned out and flushed. So now they won't have an issue with their sewer pipe. Please call Superior Drain. We'll be glad to get there, hopefully that same day.